So how do you download Zoom? Well, it's really easy and it is free. You go to zoom.us/download. There's a link in the description, and you are going to be downloading a Zoom client for your meetings. Probably that is going to be from your laptop, from your PC, your Zoom client for meetings. And you just click on download there. Okay. As I say, it is free. Once that has finished downloading, then you double click on that and you can start the installation wizard, which is really, really straightforward. Now, if you are using Microsoft Outlook, then you can add in this Zoom add-in for Outlook. So you click on Add Zoom there. Now, if you are using Zoom if you're using a browser, so I'm using my Chrome at the moment, Google Chrome, then you can have a Zoom extension for browsers, and that really is a very easy way for you to start a meeting straight from the browser instead of having to go to zoom.us or opening up the Zoom client. Okay, so that's the Zoom browser. If you're using Google Chrome as your browser, then you can get it from here. If you're using Firefox, then you can get it from this one here. Now, what about Zoom for mobile? Well, once again, you go into zoom.us/download on your mobile phone, and you can download it in the App Store. This will work as well if you've got a tablet. Okay, so if you're using an Apple iPhone or an iPad, then you download in the App Store there. If you're on Android, download in Google Play. Okay? All right, we'll skip the other parts about other things to do with the Zoom downloads, but you can check out the download center and also check out the help desk for Zoom, the help center for Zoom, which you'll find a link for that in the description as well to this video.